In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Trello for project management. We'll start from a blank slate and finish with a simple working workflow that keeps tasks organized and deadlines clear. First, open your web browser and head to your favorite search engine. In the search bar, type Trello and press Enter. Click the official Trello website to continue. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that so you can create and save your work. On the Trello homepage, look for the option to create a new board and click it. In the board title field, type a clear, short name, something like Project. Simple, descriptive board names make it easier for you and your team to find what you need later. When you're ready, click Create to open your new board. You'll see an empty board where we'll build the workflow with lists. Lists in Trello represent stages of work. Start by creating your first list and naming it To Do, then confirm by adding the list. Next, add more lists to reflect progress, such as In Progress and Review. Keep list names action-oriented and consistent, so everyone understands what each stage means at a glance. Now let's add your first task as a card. Under the To-Do list, click Add a Card. Enter a clear, specific title so the work is instantly recognizable. For example, brainstorm topic ideas and gather reference materials. Then click Add Card to create it. With the card created, let's add helpful details. Click the card to open it. In the description, provide context and expectations. For instance, you might write, search for books, articles, and online sources for the project. Effective descriptions reduce back and forth and make handoffs smoother. Next, set timing for the work. Click Dates to add a start date and a due date. Choose a realistic start date to indicate when work should begin, and a due date that reflects when it needs to be completed. This helps with planning and creates a clear timeline. After selecting your dates, click Save to confirm them. When you're finished updating the card, click Save again to make sure all your card details are stored. That's the basic setup. You created a board, defined the workflow with lists, added a task as a card, wrote a helpful description, and set a start date and a deadline. As you work, you can move cards across lists to reflect progress and keep everything visible. Keep your titles consistent, your descriptions concise but informative, and your dates realistic. With that, you're ready to manage projects in Trello with clarity and confidence.